Today, I'm about to show you how to change the fuel pump in this car. 05, 05, Altima, 06, same shit. So the whole assembly gonna come out, not just the pump, so the whole assembly. First things first, let's check the fuse. I know it's good, but this is how you check if a fuel pump's bad. You can check the fuse first, you can check the fuel pressure, check the fuse first. The fuel pump fuse, sometimes, usually, supposed to be in the inside. This car, it's right there in that box. You're gonna need a test light, a regular test light. Don't matter, nothing special. You need some light to test the fuse. Or you can manually pull it out, but bad work. Start this shit. Alright, let's pull this off. Like that. And fuel pump should be right here. Right here, see, 15A. It should all be right there. Now you gotta pull this out. This gotta come out. Ah, shit. Okay. Now this is it, right? Should match it up. Should matched up. Okay. We should go, see? 10, 10, 10, 15. Right there at the bottom, right there. See, 10, 10, 10, 15. This is it right here. So let's test that. Remember, put this. Oh, it's gonna be too short. All right, my cord was too short, so I used the jump box. Like it to negative. Turn it on and testing. Test. See that? Lights on. Next one. Lights on. It's good. And you could inspect it. You could inspect it if you want. Fuse puller. It's usually on here somewhere. It's supposed to be here. I guess they don't have one. It's probably inside, but I got one right here. Okay. Alright. Look at the fuse. There you go. Sit right here, and it's good. Fuel pressure. I can't do that now because I don't have the tool to do it. Make sure you put this on because you never know. You might remove the connector and the shit just spray in your eyes and shit like that. Just put this on. In these cars, the fuel pump is in the back seat. It's like the 03 Maximas and the rest of these Ultimas. The back seat. All right. It should be a seat here, but mine's out. So let's take off the seat. You gotta pull this under the seat. You gotta pull this out and just pull it up in the other side. One right there. And you gotta twist these shits. Twist them. I get a flathead or a Phillips and just turn that. But I'm gonna use some pliers. You definitely need some gloves because it's going to stink. That and some rags. So let's start with these. You twist this, twist, right, twist, and twist. Easy as that. I just pop this off. Like that, bam. And there's a connector here. Shit, it's a connector right here. Just pop off. Click down. Shit, down. Just like that. Take that out the way. Okay, you got to start taking these off right here. These two. Make sure you take the fuse out so you have no fuel in here. Fuel pressure, because it's gonna splatter everywhere if you don't take out that fuse. So take out the fuse. Start the car. Make sure you don't start. And take these out. Okay, now let's take these off. You gotta squeeze this thing and pull back. Just squeeze this shit. Okay. Alright. Oh, no fuel came out. Nice. Now, same thing with the other one. This one. Squeeze this green shit and just pull back. Put the rag on there just in case. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, no fuel came out. Nice. Put it right in here. Take this right here. and just put it in there. So when you're ready to put it on, you just clip on as soon as you put it in. Now you gotta bang this top piece out. This thing, gotta bang it. So let's get a flathead and a mallet, a hammer. Right, got the chisel and the hammer. Bang this shit. When you bang it, hit it like here, you hit it towards left, so come out. Let's go. Hit that shit. Yeah, right here. Now, take it off with your hand. Up. Bang that shit a little more. Okay, pop. See? Pops right up. You have your windows down or something, because if you stink. Some people like to smell, I don't like to smell. Okay, take this out. Side. Alright, now pull up. Got some fuel in there. Make sure pour some out. Watch the sensor, fuel level sensor. You don't want to break that shit. Get down slowly. Alright. Watch this shit right here. Yeah, wiggle, play with the shit. Just make sure you watch the level sensor. Just like that. Man, that shit dirty. Pour the fuel back in. Oh shit. Okay. Pour that shit in there. There you go. There's your assembly. Fuel pump. Right there. If you're just changing that, all you gotta do is take off the connector. Pull it out. It's a whole process. You're trying to just do that. Take this off. Yeah. It's a whole nother story. Yeah, so if you get the whole assembly, just put it back in like so. Make sure you put the fuel level sensor first. Right here, this. Make sure that goes in first. Make sure you have a new gasket too. There's a new gasket, you need that. Put that there. And just put it in there like that. Okay. Just go in. Like that. Make sure it sits in there good. If it don't go down smooth, don't force it. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. So squeeze down on that. You get this. This on top. Okay, now make sure these things go under here like that. Squeeze down, twist it a little, then bang it back, bang it until it's tight. I'm not gonna do that because I need the fuel pump. So that is it. Make sure the gasket's on there good. Make sure there's no leaks. Put these in. Plug these back. Plug your connector. Plug it back here. Make sure you start it first. Check for any leaks. See if it's leaking, because you never know. It might be leaking. It might smell like gas everywhere because it's leaking somewhere. And yeah. Damn, my hands still smell like fuel, even though I wore gloves. That's some shit. Also, to know if your fuel pump's no good, you could try starting the car and have someone hit the pump, hit it with like a wood or something. See if it starts. If it starts, it's a fuel pump. Sometimes it'll start and stay on, and sometimes it'll start and die. But damn well, it's a damn fuel pump. It's the same thing with the 03 Maximus. I think it's the 08 Maximus too. Same shit, under the seat. Take it out slow, don't break nothing. If you break something, you have to buy. I mean, if you have a new assembly, then it don't matter, but don't drop nothing in there. If you drop something in there, make sure you take it out ASAP. ASAP. If I helped you out, make sure you give me a like. And if you're not subscribed, shame on you, man. Subscribe, man. Got more content.